Instagram stories if you guys would be interested in seeing how I did my little faux marble countertop on my makeup desk, and like if you guys wanted to see kind of like lights set up, how I have my makeup set up, filming, stuff like that. So I thought I'd make a tiny little mini series, maybe like a 2 or 3 part series to this, and start off first with how I did this marble countertop. I'm super pumped with how it turned out. This was like a cherry red particle board desk that my husband got when his office like redid their office, and they were just gonna throw it out. And so I took it, I painted it white, and then it was just fully white. And then I found this tack paper or whatever. You get this off of, I got this and a little X-Acto knife off of Amazon. I will link those both in the description box below. And that's all I used. I applied it with a credit card, super easy. So if you guys wanna see how I did that, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Okay, so obviously you want to make sure that you have everything cleaned off your desk. So once I had that all done, I made sure I wiped it down really good with a Lysol wipe so it didn't have any dust or anything else on it. Okay, so first I just laid it all out, made sure I had the right length. So just roll it out, and then I just kind of eyeballed it. And this is the X-Acto knife that I bought off Amazon. And I just kind of made a little mark and then cut along the lines. There are grid lines on the back of the paper that make it really easy to cut it straight across. This was the hardest part of the whole project. Like, and it wasn't even that hard, but this was the hardest part, was just getting it started and lining it up and getting that first edge down. And then once I got that edge down, it was just smooth sailing. So what I did was I just took a little credit card type thing and just went back and forth, and slowly from underneath I pulled the backing off the paper. And this has a little bit of playtime. Like here I'm just lifting it up because there were some bubbles. So you have a little bit of time to do that before it seals. And then here I'm just getting rid of all the excess because it was kind of getting hard to work with. And then I just popped a bubble. Anywhere you see a bubble, you can just take and poke it with your X-Acto knife, and they just lay completely flat. And then here I'm just taking it and kind of stretching it because it kind of wanted to pop up on the edges. So I had to make sure that I really pulled it down. And then here I'm just working on the corner. And so I just kind of like, I don't know, sort of wrapped it like a present. I don't know, I just cut up the middle and then laid the one side down, cut off the excess, and yeah, that was pretty much it. Just cut off all the excess everywhere and had it so that it all went around that one leg kind of thing. This was where it took just a little bit more detail than the rest of the desk, but it was still like nothing at all. Okay, and here is the finished product. I am so happy with how it turned out, you guys. I love it. I think it looks so good with the colors that I have in my makeup room. And here's just a little close-up of the detail and how it looks. It's nice and glossy, easy to wipe off. So yeah, that is my finished DIY marble desk.
What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Like now, don't you feel like you want to just like go crazy on Amazon and marble everything in your house? Because that's how I kind of felt after I did this. I was like, that was so easy. What else can be marble? So if you guys want to see the other videos that I'm going to be doing in this mini series of like my setup, my lights, and how I film, how I have my makeup set up, everything like that, make sure that you click my little face right here and click subscribe, click the little bell, and that will notify you when I upload new videos, and I upload new videos every Monday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.